With so many different diets out there to choose from, how do we know which one will give us the best health benefits? Diets do take a lot of time, effort, and energy, and our time is precious. So if you want to get the most out of your time by investing into a diet that is guaranteed to benefit your overall health, the Mediterranean diet seems to be your best bet and should definitely be considered for optimal health. But first, let us take a second to examine the standard American diet. It is a very high-calorie diet. It's also high in saturated fats, trans fats, sugar, and sodium. Not ideal for longevity. It is shown to be lacking in essential nutrients and antioxidants due to the lack of fruits and veggies, and it's definitely a contributor to the amount of people suffering with obesity in this country, which makes up about 75%. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommends that adults should consume somewhere around 25 to 38 grams of fiber per day, but the studies show that Americans only receive 10 to 15 grams per day on average. Could this be why we suffer from so many digestion issues in this country as well? Chronic low-level inflammation and risk of heart disease is also a result of the standard American diet due to frequent consumption of inflammatory foods like gluten, sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods, on top of the excessive amounts of saturated fat and sodium. America is a great country, full of great people, but the standard American diet shows to be doing more harm than good, and we should definitely reconsider this diet if we want to be healthy. And now let's take our trip over to the Mediterranean. As its name implies, this diet comes from the Mediterranean basin, a portion of land that historians refer to as the cradle of society. Interest in this diet began in the 1950s when it was noted that heart-related illnesses were not so common in this area, and since then many studies have proved that the Mediterranean diet works wonders in taking care of the heart and is effective in preventing heart disease and stroke. It is based on the cuisines of Greece, Italy, France, Spain, and the other neighboring countries that border the Mediterranean Sea. Majority of this diet is plant-based, including foods such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, seeds, nuts, herbs, and spices. Along with the nuts and seeds, olive oil is one of the main sources of fats for this diet. Nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all sources of healthy monounsaturated fat, which help in lowering bad cholesterol levels. Fish, poultry, dairy products, and red wine are consumed in moderation, and red meats only on special occasions. The fish that make up this diet include salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring, which are all excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat, and these help to reduce inflammation in the body. It reduces the risk of blood clots, it decreases triglycerides, and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Mediterranean diet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos and health tips. Thanks for watching.